Welcome to Insightful Inspiration, where we delve into the deeper meanings of everyday practices and explore how they can enhance our spiritual journeys. Today, we're excited to share a fascinating practice that has been gaining popularity for its simplicity and effectiveness in enhancing financial well-being. Have you ever thought about using something as simple as cloves to attract abundance into your life? Stay with us as we uncover the secrets behind this ancient practice and guide you on how to harness the power of cloves to invite prosperity into your home. Cloves are little, strong flower buds that are frequently used in cooking, but their functions throughout history extend far beyond the kitchen. They have been valued for their powerful spiritual qualities for ages in a number of cultures. They are thought to hold energy that can affect protection, wealth, and general well-being. But how did the association of riches and luxury develop with these little scented buds? To understand the power of cloves, let's take a brief journey into their historical and cultural significance. In ancient times, cloves were highly prized and even used as currency in some cultures. Their strong, distinctive scent was believed to ward off negative energies and attract positive vibes, making them a valuable asset in spiritual practices. The ancients recognized cloves as more than just a spice. They saw them as a tool for enhancing one's fortune and safeguarding against misfortune. But why check out three cloves especially? According to numerology, three is a strong number that represents abundance, expansion, and creativity. We use three cloves to enhance the natural qualities of the cloves by utilizing the energy of this number. Putting our intentions in line with the universal energy of prosperity is how it works. The concept is straightforward but profound. By planting three cloves in a particular location throughout your house, you might draw good energy and financial prosperity. The historical significance of cloves in spirituality is vast and varied. These aromatic flower buds, native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, have been used for thousands of years in various cultures for their potent spiritual properties. Dating back to ancient civilizations, cloves were highly valued not only for their culinary uses, but also for their medicinal and spiritual applications. In ancient China, as early as 200 BCE, cloves were used to freshen breath and were a symbol of status and wealth. They were so prized that they were often reserved for the emperor and his court. The Chinese also believed that cloves had the power to ward off evil spirits and purify spaces, making them an essential part of their spiritual practices. In India, cloves have been an integral part of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Ayurveda, an ancient system of natural healing, views cloves as a powerful spice that can balance the body's energies and promote health. Beyond their medicinal uses, cloves are also used in various spiritual rituals. They are burned as incense to cleanse spaces, enhance meditation, and invite positive energies. The strong, sweet scent of cloves is believed to uplift the spirit and create a protective barrier against negative influences. An important part of ancient Egyptian society also involved cloves. Cloves were utilized by the Egyptians in their embalming procedures because they thought the spice's strong scent and ability to preserve food would help the deceased trip to the afterlife. In order to respect the deceased and keep evil spirits at bay, cloves were buried with them. This custom emphasizes the profound spiritual meaning attached to cloves in guaranteeing a prosperous and safe transition beyond this life. The significance of cloves extended to the ancient Greeks and Romans as well. In Greek mythology, cloves were associated with love and beauty, often used in rituals to invoke the favor of the gods and goddesses. The Romans, on the other hand, valued cloves for their ability to purify the air and ward off illness. They believed that cloves could cleanse spaces of negative energies and promote physical and spiritual health. These beliefs made cloves a staple in Roman households and temples, where they were used in various religious ceremonies and offerings. Now let's explore the science behind cloves and their energetic properties. Cloves, the aromatic flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, have long been treasured not only for their culinary and medicinal uses, but also for their supposed spiritual and energetic properties. Cloves are packed with a variety of bioactive compounds, the most notable of which is eugenol. This compound is responsible for the distinctive aroma and many of the medicinal properties of cloves. Eugenol possesses antiseptic, analgesic, and anti-inflammatory properties, making cloves effective in treating various ailments such as toothaches, infections, and digestive issue. The antimicrobial properties of cloves are well documented. Studies have shown that clove oil can inhibit the growth of a wide range of bacteria and fungi. This antimicrobial action can contribute to the clove's ability to purify environments and protect against diseases, reinforcing the belief that cloves can ward off negative energies and maintain a healthy, positive atmosphere. The aromatic qualities of cloves are central to their energetic properties. Aromatherapy, the practice of using essential oils from plants for therapeutic purposes, highlights how certain scents can influence mood, cognitive function, and overall well-being. The strong, warm scent of cloves is known to invigorate the mind, boost mood, and increase alertness. These effects can create a positive environment conducive to attracting good fortune and prosperity. The burning of cloves or the application of clove oil in diffusers is said to purge negative energy from areas in many spiritual traditions. This is based on the scientific finding that aromatic molecules released by cloves into the atmosphere have the capacity to activate the limbic system of the brain, which is in charge of feelings, memories, and arousal. Clove aromas have the power to influence this system and provide a peaceful, energetically balanced atmosphere by evoking sentiments of optimism and well-being. Energy medicine, which includes practices like Reiki, acupuncture, and crystal healing, is based on the belief that the body has an energy field that can be influenced to promote health and well-being. Cloves are thought to have a high vibrational energy, which can interact with the human energy field. This high vibration is believed to attract positive energies and repel negative ones, contributing to the clove's reputation for bringing wealth and protection. While scientific evidence for the effectiveness of energy medicine is still evolving, many practitioners report positive outcomes when incorporating natural elements like cloves into their practices. The high vibrational energy of cloves can be seen as a form of subtle energy that influences the body's own energy field, promoting balance and harmony. Choosing the right cloves for your spiritual practices is essential to harnessing their full potential for attracting wealth and prosperity. Quality and preparation are key factors that can significantly influence the effectiveness of your rituals. It's important to understand that not all cloves are created equal. The quality of cloves can vary depending on their origin, harvesting methods, and storage conditions. When choosing cloves for spiritual use, you want to look for high-quality organic cloves. Organic cloves are grown without the use of synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, ensuring that they are free from harmful chemicals that could interfere with their natural energies. Consider both the clove's appearance and scent while choosing them. Whole, plump cloves with a hint of reddish-brown should be considered high quality. They have to be devoid of cracks, discoloration, and mold. Because the head carries the majority of the essential oils and, hence, the potent characteristics we want for spiritual practices, the best cloves will still have their heads intact. Good cloves should smell pungent and spicy as well, as this indicates that they contain a lot of eugenol, which gives them their unique aroma and many health benefits. If possible, buy whole cloves rather than pre-ground ones. Whole cloves retain their potency and essential oils much longer than ground cloves, which can lose their strength and aroma quickly after being processed. By choosing whole cloves, you ensure that you are using the freshest and most powerful form of the spice. Once you have selected your cloves, proper storage is crucial to maintaining their quality. Store them in an airtight container away from direct sunlight and moisture. A cool, dark place, such as a pantry or cupboard, is ideal. Proper storage helps preserve the cloves' essential oils and prevents them from becoming stale or losing their potency. The next essential step is to prepare the cloves. Cloves should be cleansed and energized before utilizing them in your rituals. By cleaning them, you can make sure they are prepared to take in and magnify your intentions by removing any leftover energy that they could have taken up during harvesting, processing, and handling. Cloves can be cleaned in a few ways. Rinsing them momentarily under cold running water while imagining any negative energies being swept away is one popular technique. Spread the cloves out on a fresh cloth or paper towel and allow them to air dry thoroughly after rinsing. As an alternative, you might soak the cloves for a few hours in a dish of sea salt. Absorbing and neutralizing bad energies, salt is a potent cleanser. Energizing the cloves involves charging them with your intentions and positive energy. This can be done through meditation or simple visualization. Hold the cloves in your hands, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Visualize a bright light surrounding the cloves, filling them with positive energy and your specific intentions for wealth and prosperity. You can also say a prayer or affirmation, such as, I charge these cloves with the energy of abundance and success. Choosing the right place in your home to place cloves is crucial to maximizing their potential to attract wealth and prosperity. According to various spiritual and feng shui principles, the location of these cloves can significantly influence their effectiveness in drawing positive energy and abundance. One of the most commonly recommended places to place cloves is the wealth corner of your home. In feng shui, the wealth corner is associated with abundance and financial success. This area is typically located in the southeast part of your home. To find your wealth corner, stand at the entrance of your house and identify the farthest left corner. This spot is believed to be the area where the energy of prosperity naturally accumulates. Placing cloves in this corner can amplify their energy, helping to attract wealth and financial stability. Another powerful spot for placing cloves is near the front door of your home. The front door is often considered the mouth of key or the main entry point for energy. By placing cloves near the entrance, you can create a welcoming atmosphere that invites positive energy and financial opportunities into your home. You can place the cloves in a small dish or decorative bowl and position it on a table or shelf near the door. This placement not only enhances the flow of prosperity, but also serves as a protective barrier against negative energies. Cloves can also be arranged at your desk or home office. This is the best place to attract riches because it is closely related to your financial and professional goals. Cloves can help boost productivity, creativity, and focus, all of which are necessary for reaching financial success when placed on your desk or in a drawer. Cloves also have a calming effect on your mind and improve your workspace, encouraging a sense of purpose and resolve. Another effective place to position cloves is in the kitchen, particularly near the stove or in the pantry. In many cultures, the kitchen is considered the heart of the home and a symbol of nourishment and abundance. The stove, in particular, is associated with wealth and prosperity as it represents the source of nourishment and sustenance. By placing cloves in this area, you can enhance the flow of abundance and ensure that your household is always well provided for. Finally, placing cloves in the living room can also be beneficial for attracting wealth and positive energy. The living room is often the central gathering place in a home, where family members come together to relax and connect. By placing cloves in this area, you can create a harmonious environment that supports abundance and prosperity. You can place cloves in a decorative dish or bowl, on a coffee table or shelf, allowing their aromatic scent to permeate the space and invite positive energy. To maximize the effectiveness of your cloves, consider incorporating additional elements that complement their properties. For example, you can place them in a bowl with other prosperity-attracting items such as coins, crystals like citrine or pyrite, or even a small green plant. These elements can work together to enhance the flow of positive energy and amplify your intentions for wealth and prosperity. Remember, the key to successfully using cloves to attract wealth is to approach the practice with a positive and open mindset. Set clear intentions for what you want to achieve, whether it's financial stability, career success, or overall abundance. As you place the cloves in your chosen location, take a moment to visualize your intentions manifesting. Imagine the energy of abundance flowing into your home and filling every corner with prosperity and good fortune. Placing cloves to attract money is a spiritual practice that harmonizes your aspirations with the energy of the cosmos. It's more than just a practical gesture. You are inviting abundance and positive energy into your home by practicing this, and it also creates a sacred area. It serves as a potent reminder that you have the capacity to influence reality and draw the life you want. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the spiritual significance of cloves and how they can be used to attract wealth and prosperity. We hope you found this practice insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and practices to enhance your spiritual journey. Until next time, may your path be filled with abundance, positivity, and endless opportunities.